How to download and install Adobe InDesign CC 2026 free trial on your PC and Mac. In this video, we're going to show you the quick and easy step-by-step process to get access to the official Adobe InDesign and download it on your computer. So to get started, head down below this video and click on the link in the pinned comment. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and then under Featured Products, we're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to select View All Products. Now you're going to see all the amazing apps that Adobe has to offer, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to find InDesign and click on that one. This is going to take us to the official Adobe InDesign homepage, and you can see all the amazing features that we get access to inside of InDesign, like designing very cool brochures for your business. You can make an impact with your print, and you can build a brand together with seamless collaborations. Now, if you want to look at any of the cool new features that you get access to, you can go down to the bottom and look at all the features from InDesign. And the best part about it is, we have the new AI assistant inside of InDesign, which saves you so much time and does so many cool things, which I cannot wait for you to see. The other thing is to effortlessly add alt text. You can create layouts that adapt, you can transform shapes into inspiring artwork, and you can use the generative expand tool, which helps you resize images to look perfect. So if you are as sold as me, let's get started with the download, and we're going to head down and click on that free trial button. Then we have some options here. We're either going to be an individual, we're going to be a student or a teacher, or a business. Most of us are going to be individuals, so we're going to select that one. And then you can choose between the InDesign only app or the Creative Cloud Pro option, which gives you access to 20 plus amazing apps from Adobe. And the best part about this one, and this is my favorite, is you get 4,000 monthly AI generative credits, which you can use to do some really cool things with the Adobe apps. So this is the one that we go for. And then we need to choose a subscription option. Now there's monthly, there's annual build monthly, and there's annual prepaid. Please make sure if you choose the annual build monthly, I know it's a little bit cheaper and the pricing might look a little bit different depending on when you're watching this video, because they currently have a special on at the time of this recording. Just make sure that you understand the annual build monthly, you are committing to the full year. You're committing to the 12 months. If you decide to cancel before your 12 months is up, there are penalty fees that apply. If you only want to use it for 2 or 3 months, it's a specific project, and then you think you're going to be done with it, then go for the monthly only option. Even though it's more expensive, it might work out cheaper if you're going to use it for less. So think about that, how long you want to use it for. If you like, I really like InDesign, I'm in with this, I'm happy with 12 months, then you can go for the annual build monthly. If you're a high roller, you can go for the annual prepaid option. That's completely up to you. We're going to go with the annual build monthly because we're going to use it for 12 months. And then I like to add this 7-day free trial of Adobe stock. What it does is it gives you 10 free standard assets, and you can cancel this separately to your Creative Cloud Pro plan or your InDesign only one. So add that in and then click the blue continue button. Then we're going to add our email address and then double check on the right hand side you've got the right options here. Check that your 7-day free trial is activated by looking at the due now. Is it in fact 0? Cool. Then we got the free trial option done. Check this date because that is the day that your 7-day free trial will end. It's going to be different on your screen, so check your date and check the amount that is going to be charged once your free trial ends and you decide to continue with Adobe InDesign or the Creative Cloud Pro option that you have decided to go with. Then in the next step, we're going to enter the payment information to activate the free trial. Once you have completed this, then the Creative Cloud app is going to download on your PC or your Mac, and then inside there you can download InDesign and start using all of the cool things inside of Adobe InDesign. If you get stuck anywhere along the way or you have any questions about this, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. If you have any other Adobe videos you would like us to make, then let us know in the comments because we would like to go and make those videos for you guys. We hope you enjoy Adobe InDesign and we can't wait to see you in our next video.